Hola a todos y bienvenidos de nuevo a nuestro canal. Hoy nos adentraremos en un tema fascinante que se sitúa justo en la intersección de la vida, el derecho and philosophy. When does a person legally begin to exist? It might seem simple, but the legal details are surprisingly complex. Let's start with birth. Legally, birth is the act of separation of the fetus from the mother's body, which is when it gains an independent life. Now, what does separation really mean? Some old theories insisted the umbilical cord had to be cut, but the dominant view today is simpler. Once the baby has completely exited the mother's womb, birth has occurred. It doesn't matter if it was a natural birth or a C-section, full-term or premature. The most crucial element, however, is that the baby must be born alive, even if it's just for a single moment. If a baby is stillborn, from a strictly legal perspective, it's as if they never existed as a person. They never acquired what's called legal personality. But if they live, even for an instant, all the rights and legal consequences of birth kick in. This single moment is the gateway to becoming a legal person. So, how do you prove birth? The key document is the birth certificate, which is issued after the birth is registered with the civil registry. This certificate is the official legal proof of an individual's existence. It allows a person to be recognized by society and by the law itself. Without it, you'd need a court judgment to establish the fact of your birth. But what about the time before birth? What is the legal status of the conceived but not yet born? This is where it gets really interesting. While the unborn or fetus is not considered a person with full legal personality, the law doesn't just ignore it. It recognizes that a human life exists and offers it protection. Venezuelan law, for example, has a very specific and thoughtful approach. Article 17 of its Civil Code says, "The fetus shall be considered as born when it concerns its own good." This is a powerful statement. It doesn't grant full personhood, but it creates a special, protected status. This means the law can act as if the fetus is already born, but only if it's for their benefit. For instance, an unborn child can be named an heir in a will or receive a donation. These rights are held in a sort of legal limbo, waiting for the child to be born alive. If the baby is born alive, those rights become permanent. If not, they vanish as if they never existed. This protection ensures that the potential person isn't disadvantaged simply because they haven't been born yet. This concept is rooted in the idea of protecting a developing human life, a life with the expectation of becoming a full person. It's why legal systems often have laws against voluntarily ending a pregnancy. It's a way of safeguarding that journey toward personhood. The law even considers how this protection might extend to the birthing process itself. While not a settled legal debate, there is a growing conversation about the unborn's right to experience birth in the most natural and beneficial way possible, respecting the process that Mother Nature designed to prepare a new life for the world outside the womb. So, from the moment of conception, there's a protected potential. At the moment of a live birth, that potential becomes a reality and a new legal person, with all the rights and duties that entails, officially joins the world. The journey from a biological reality to a legal one is a carefully constructed path designed to protect life at every possible stage. What are your thoughts on this? Does the law in your country handle it differently? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this topic as interesting as I do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of law. See you next time.